Immobiliser fit, and it's a 2018 Audi A7 with a Ghost 2 Immobiliser. Customers also opted for 2 additional tags, so they don't have to waste time with a PIN code. We wouldn't recommend them because they have a 10-metre range, but this customer wanted them. Anyway, how it works, if a thief copied the key, tags weren't here, phones weren't here, they started the vehicle up. As soon as they put it in gear, you're going to see it cut out, and the thief's unable to drive it away. So the customer can start the car, go for a push sequence of their choosing. For now we've set 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive a double flash, and now they can select their gear and drive off. As I said, this customer also has the 2 tags, so they don't have to do that. So we'll just put the batteries in the tags and show you how they work. So now with the battery in the tag, all they've got to do, hop in, start the car. Sees the tag straight away, so you get your double flash and you can drive off. You don't need to waste the time with the push sequence. Once again, this Ghost 2 Immobiliser has a push sequence. We've also given the customer the optional Bluetooth tag, so they don't need to mess around with the code. It can be paired to your phone, but the Bluetooth has a 10-metre range, so if you park right outside your house, we wouldn't recommend it. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.